Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate iOS shortcuts for automated text and file actions step by step clearly. Open your iPhone and locate the Shortcuts app on your home screen. Tap on the Shortcuts app to launch it. Once in the app, you will see a My Shortcuts tab at the bottom of the screen. To create a new shortcut, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. You will be directed to a new page where you can start building your shortcut. Tap on Add Action to choose the first action for your shortcut. In the search bar, type text to find the text-related actions. Select Send Message if you want to automate sending a text message. Now, fill in the recipient's information. You can either enter a phone number or select a contact from your list. Next, type the message you wish to send automatically. If you want to include a file, tap Add Action again. Search for Get File in the Actions list. Select Get File and configure it to pull the desired file from your device. You can specify the location of the file or choose files from your iCloud drive. Once you've set both actions, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This will allow you to name your shortcut for easy identification. You can also choose to add it to your home screen for quicker access. When you're satisfied with your setup, tap Done to save your shortcut. Now, your new shortcut is ready to use. To test it, simply tap on the shortcut from your My Shortcuts tab. Make sure your iPhone allows notifications for the Shortcuts app. If all settings are correct, your automated text and file actions will execute seamlessly. Feel free to explore other actions in the Shortcuts app to create more complex automations. Your iOS shortcuts can now simplify daily tasks and enhance productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.